A. Raymond Industrial Cable Management Solutions offer a vast range of cable ties for different industrial applications. The cable ties can be fixed to different components in various ways in order to adapt to several environments. This cable tie assembly features an integrated metal clip that mounts to a panel edge. This part swivels to accommodate various panel orientations. Once positioned, the tube or wire bundle can be assembled via the ratcheting action of the tie. Plug mount cable ties can be attached to a panel hole. This one-piece cable tie does not swivel but is still effective in attaching the tube or bundle. This cable tie can be fixed on studs or onto a panel with a welded stud. It has an integrated female clip. This metal adapter for cable ties can be fixed to a panel edge and offers various possibilities to insert the cable tie. A. Raymond Industrial Cable Tie Solutions include various plastic material, color, and surface treatment and can be used in most industries. Their use expedites the assembly process in manufacturing plants and helps protect wires and tubes from sharp and moving parts. A. Raymond Industrial Fasteners allow you to replace traditional fastening methods with innovative solutions that combine aesthetics and functionality. They are quick and easy to